5 ways to get your entrepreneurial dream up and running while still working your 9 to 5. Many people are perfectly happy working regular 9 to 5 jobs. Heck, some people even love it. Others have dreams of owning their own business or doing work that doesn't consist of regular office hours. Or maybe you're someone who needs the benefits offered by your 9 to 5 while also pursuing your dreams on the side. Either way, you can do both. It just takes practice, effort, and a mindset shift. 1. Your 9 to 5 is a blessing. You may not love the job you're working at 40 hours a week, but it's most likely paying your bills. Remember to be thankful for that and keep your head on straight, even on the tough days. 2. Use your time wisely. Everyone has the same 24 hours in their day. Your job, hopefully, only takes up 8 of those. Use what's left of your time wisely. Plan your days in advance and stack items so you can make the most of everything. Long commute? Listen to an audiobook or podcast that fuels your passions. Make every minute count. 3. Lay bricks daily. Rome wasn't built in a day, but they laid bricks daily. Make sure you're making steps daily toward your goals. Make sure you aren't wasting time with useless tasks like cleaning out deleted emails or double-checking something you've already triple-checked. Make your to-do list count. 4. Outsource. Is there a task that you are absolutely no good at and can afford to have someone else do it? Think about coding a website? Then outsource it. Don't waste your time on tasks you hate or are bad at when you can have someone else do the work in half the time. Focus on tasks that you're good at and can accomplish on your own. When needed, call in reinforcements. 5. 9 to 5 is a reminder. Your 9 to 5 is paying your bills, and you're thankful. That doesn't mean you don't hate the job. Use that as a reminder in the late hours of the night when you're still working on your dream. Annoying coworker? Use him or her as a reminder why you want to build a company with a better work culture. Reminders are everywhere. You just need to find them. Working hard to get your dream off the ground is no easy task, but it can be done. You've already found the time. Now you need to make your mindset and your actions count.